Hello, my name is Gretchen Smith. I volunteer with Friends of Lower Haw River State Natural Area. Today, we're going to talk about nature journaling. But first, I'd like to tell you a little bit about us. Friends of Lower Haw River State Natural Area provides stewardship, education, and advocacy for a state natural area that is part of the North Carolina State Park System. Learn more about us at our website, www.lowerhaw.org. We encourage good stewardship and conservation. Ways you can be a good steward of nature include: leave plants, animals, and rocks where you find them. Respect wildlife. Observe wildlife, but do not bother them. Do not litter. Dispose of trash properly or take your trash away with you when you leave a place. If you bring your dog, keep your dog on a leash at all times. Volunteer to help with work days or projects that help nature. Today, we are going to learn about keeping a nature journal. Yogi Berra, a famous baseball player and coach, said, "You can observe a lot by just watching." A nature journal is a notebook used to write and draw what you see, hear, smell, touch, and feel when you explore nature. Some famous nature journalists include Charles Darwin, Henry David Thoreau, Lewis and Clark, John Muir, and Rachel Carson. Fortunately, you do not need to be a great writer or artist to keep a nature journal. You do not need to know much about nature to join in this adventure. It is more important to be open to what you are seeing, hearing, smelling, and feeling than to know the names of everything. Learning what something is called can come later if you want to know more. Nature journaling can be done day or night. Rain or shine. Nature journaling can be done anywhere: in your backyard, schoolyard, neighborhood, community garden, park, woods, pond or lake, river or stream. The goal of nature journaling is to use our senses to observe, experience, and record the world around us. So ask yourself, what is going on outside today? Let's get started. What do you see? Look up, look down, look all around. Describe and or draw what you see. Things we can see in nature can be large, small, or tiny. Some things in nature can be harder to see due to camouflage or deception. When drawing, most objects can be captured as one of four basic shapes: circle, square, triangle, rectangle. Lightly sketch the most appropriate geometric shape to capture the object's general form. Add other geometric shapes to complete the outline. Next, connect the outlines of the shapes to capture the overall shape. Then begin to add to your sketch to create a three-dimensional object. What once was a triangle could become a cone. What once was a circle becomes a ball. Continue working in pencil and keep your sketch marks very light. For example, to sketch a bird, start with a basic egg or oval shape, then add other geometric forms to build the fundamental structure of the bird. In the example of the cardinal, we see ovals, circles, triangles, and rectangles. What do you hear? Close your eyes and listen to the sounds of nature. Describe the sounds you hear: flowing water, falling rain, wind in the trees, frogs croaking, birds singing. What do you smell? Breathe in the smells of nature. Nature smells can be strong, weak, or non-existent, pleasant or unpleasant. Describe what you smell. What does nature feel like? Touch nature. Describe what it feels like. A word of caution. Be safe and cautious about what to touch. Some wildlife may bite, some insects may sting, some plants may be poisonous or cause a rash. So be cautious. How does exploring nature make you feel? Describe how you feel when you are exploring nature. Does it make you feel excited, calm, happy, sad, scared, or something else? Here are some resources on nature journaling. Ranger Rick Nature Notebook, Nature Journaling with Project Learning Tree, Smithsonian Introduction to the Nature Journal, John Muir Law's Nature Journaling, and U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service Nature Journal. Today, we talked about how you can write and draw in a nature journal, what you see, hear, smell, touch, and feel when you explore nature. Nature journaling is a way to observe, experience, and record the world around us. We'd like to thank these photographers for sharing their photos for this presentation. Thank you for watching our presentation on nature journaling. We hope you will find this an enjoyable experience.